Steve here, ShenRC. This is my new computer build for editing my videos. My old one was an i7 6th generation, so I put this one together here. I gotta take this side plate off and show you inside, but I'm not done building it. It's a Cougar case, an MX330, and I also have the Intel Core i9-10850K 3.6 5.2 gigahertz turbo, and I also got the GIGABYTE B460 HD3, the motherboard. And I got a 600 watt EVGA power supply in here, and I got Windows Microsoft Pro. This is my computer cooler I got, Be Quiet Pure Rock 2. That's what it looks like. I gotta install it all. Look at the size of this thing. It's crazy. The fan goes right on the front. It's pretty neat. I got this Crucial Ballistix gaming memory. This is a 32 gigabyte kit. I could go up to 64 with this computer I'm building. It's the 300 megahertz. And also I got this computer board has this technology for these VNAND SSD, and it has the NVMe M.2. This is a 500 gigabyte. I'll just show you the case really quick. I got 4 120 millimeter fans in here. I got 2 on the top, and this comes off with a magnet, so it's cool. And I got 2 in the front here. Let's see what the back looks like. There's all the connections. Power supply. I gotta still install some stuff in here and do the windows in it also. Let's take this plate off here and see what it looks like inside. This is a smoked plate. See if I could do it with one hand here. Show you guys. Now I should be able to do my videos much more efficient and faster. Yeah, this is like a plastic polycarbonate, smoked. See-through window, and here's what it looks like inside. I gotta take this fan off and put my good one there, that Pure Rock 2, Be Quiet. My other computer was a Dell. It was one of them mini ones. It wasn't the real small one. It was in between size. I couldn't even run a power supply in it. I had to run wires out to fit a normal supply. And my graphics card, right now I'm going to use my old one. It's a 1060. I'm going to upgrade that later on. So this should be really good. Efficient for editing my videos. I can't wait to get it up and running and test it out. Should be nice. Well, after a while of playing around and putting everything together, there she is. She's all done. I just got to put my graphics card in. I'm going to do that later. That's what she looks like. It's got a lot of fans. It has one on the power supply, one on the heat sink. It's got 2 in the front, 1 behind, and then 2 in the top. It's crazy. Anyhow, it should work cool. That's it. Anyhow, guys, I just wanted to show you my new machine here. And this will be the future video editing machine for ShenRC. Thanks, guys, for watching. I appreciate the support. Leave me a thumbs up if you can. Hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you next time. ShenRC out.